Okay, now, I want you to look at this stack of paper. Not gonna turn the camera off. See the stack of paper? See all these complaints against my son? His first wife in 2004 claims he raped her to get her pregnant, then raped the baby. And my mother helped him get custody of Olivia. That's in 2004. Okay. There's a whole bunch of people in here that have been beat up. Domestic violence, assault. Let me show you this one. Margaret Allen said Jabin went to the store. Everything was okay. When he came back from the store, he was angry. Look at this. See her tooth? He hit her with something and broke her tooth. This is a young girl. Now she has to walk around with her tooth missing in the front of her face. He scratched the side of her face and he put a big black and blue mark on her thigh. Now, her complaint says that she had a concussion. Why did the judge lower the charges from assault to criminal mischief? Because my mom bribes the judges. She pays them off so he can get off. She does that because she doesn't want my children to serve God. She wants to steal the children away from me so they'll be like her, evil. Now, they placed him on probation, non reporting probation. The whole time he was on probation, I was talking to his probation officer, Denise Duncan. She knows somebody in our family, Aunt Patricia. I wasn't sure if that was the reason she wasn't doing her job. I finally got to talk to her, and she said, "Isn't he mentally ill?" "Yes, he's mentally ill." She said, "Well, I don't want to put him in jail." Okay. I never got her to get a drug test from him. I never got her to go to his house and see how he's living, see if he's molesting or raping my granddaughter. I never got her to do anything. I subpoenaed her to court and she wouldn't come. Okay. When he filed for custody of Laham, he beat up another woman right after he filed for shared custody. The woman he beat up, he strangled her. He threatened to kill her. And she was pregnant. Okay. Now, all that's documented. I gave those papers to Christina to give to the attorney. They placed him on probation. They said he's not allowed to do drugs, not allowed to get any same similar uh, uh, fights and conditions. He's beat the girl up in front of his kids, in front of my grandsons. He's beating up women in front of the children. But I couldn't get Charles Taylor to tell the judge he was on probation and violating probation. The fact that he was on probation and continually violating probation, the case should have been closed. He should have not been able to have Laham anymore. He should have lost his parental rights. It should have been a slam dunk case. But instead, he left Laham in Jabin's custody for 4 years to be abused, to be sexually abused. So I filed to be added as a party. Okay. I filed to be added as a party to the divorce case. They said it's not a normal thing that happens when grandmother tries to be added as a party in a divorce case. I said, this is an emergency. The judge said, there's no emergency. And all this evidence that I just showed you, he wouldn't even look at it. So I had to file an appeal with 10th District Court of Appeals.